Good morning, scholars. It is Tuesday, May 5th. This is your morning meeting video. We're going to start off with our quote of the day by Maya Angelou, who was a poet, a writer, a civil rights activist. We read a piece by her When the Cage Bird Sings this year. So this is her quote. If you're always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. So if you're always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. I think that this is a lot about being who you are and being your own individual. And a lot of times that means not having to worry about what other people think. So if you're trying to fit into a standard that you think other people want you to, you're never going to know how amazing you can actually be. And I know that you all are amazing for your own individual qualities. So I think this is a really nice quote from a wonderful person in our history. Today on morning meeting, we are going to do some trivia. So I will ask you a question, and then on the slide after, I'll give you the answer. You can pause the video if you want more time to answer the question before I reveal the answer. Do your best to answer. You probably won't know all of them. You might know some of them. See how many you can get right. And I hope you learned something new. So after this, you can quiz your friends and family and show them what you've learned today. So let's get started. Our first question. How many noses does a slug have? A, 1, B, 12, C, 4, D, 6. The answer is 4. A slug has 4 noses. I wonder if it can smell very well because of that. Who knows? What is the fastest land animal? A, cheetah, B, ostrich, C, leopard, or D, wolf? And the answer is a cheetah. Cheetahs have set record speeds near 70 miles per hour. That's how fast your car goes on the highway. It's very impressive. It's a beautiful animal as well. What is the largest planet in our solar system? And maybe some of you know this from our planet research. A, Earth, B, Neptune, C, Saturn, D, Jupiter. Put your guess in. The answer is D, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. What was the most popular song in 2019, so last year? Old Town Road by Lil Nas X, featuring Billy Cyrus. B, Truth Hurts by Lizzo. C, 7 Rings by Ariana Grande. Or D, Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. All great songs, but the answer is Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. And there she is, hair and all. What was the first animal to go into orbit? That means to go into outer space. A, a monkey, B, a dog, C, a turtle, or D, a mouse? And the answer is a dog. There she is. Her name was Laika. A brave dog, indeed. What is the world record for number of hot dogs eaten in one sitting? So this is a competition. People eat hot dogs for a competition to see how many they can eat. So what's the world record? How many hot dogs have been eaten? And the answer is 74 hot dogs. Can you imagine? I cannot. Who has the most Instagram followers? A, Justin Bieber, B, Ariana Grande, C, Cristiano Ronaldo, or D, Beyonce? All wonderful people, but one has the most. And the answer is Cristiano Ronaldo. He has the most followers on Instagram. He is a soccer player. Okay. What animal is this? A, a horse, B, a zebra, C, an okapi, or D, a donkey? This one is one that you can ask your friends about. The answer is C, an okapi. These animals live in the Dominican Republic of the Congo, which is located in Central Africa. And I know it looks a lot like kind of a horse and a zebra, but it's actually related to the giraffe. So this is an animal that you could point out and say, hey, I know what that is. That's an okapi. Which two colors make orange? Rose and yellow, red and green, red and yellow, or green and blue? If you said red and yellow, you are correct. Where they overlap is where we've got orange. Which team won the Super Bowl in 2020, this past February? A, Kansas City Chiefs, B, the Dallas Cowboys, C, the Philadelphia Eagles, or D, the New England Patriots? If you said the Kansas City Chiefs, you are correct. This team won the Super Bowl this past year. Which is the largest state in the United States? A, Texas, B, Hawaii, C, California, or D, Alaska? You may consult a map if you would like. The answer is D, Alaska. So this is not where Alaska is located, of course. It's located north of Canada, northwest of Canada. But if we put Alaska in the United States, this is how big it would be. It's way bigger than Texas, and it's way bigger than California. Here's our last question. Where was the first school to integrate? And you may remember this from a book that we read this year. A, Dallas, Texas, B, Miami, Florida, C, New York, New York, or D, Little Rock, Arkansas? If you said D, Little Rock, Arkansas, you are correct. This is Central High School in Little Rock, Arkansas in 1957. We learned about this in our book, The Lions of Little Rock. All right, that was our trivia for today. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. I hope you learned something new. I would rewatch this video and you can quiz your friends and family. All right, scholars, have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Goodbye.